Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix controller or gamepad not working on GTA 5. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through Steam, and from here you then want to click on settings. Now before doing this, you also want to make sure that you already have your controller connected through your Windows computer. From here, you then want to click on the controller button, and from here, you then want to select the controller that you have connected to your Windows computer. And from here, you just want to simply select the begin setup button. Now, I have multiple controllers on my system right here, but this is the main controller that I use to play my games with. So you just want to click on the begin setup button, and then you want to set this up the way you want to. So just press A, B, Y, and the directional buttons on your Steam, and then it will bind your controller, making sure that it works perfectly with your Steam right here. Now, you could just go ahead and do the same thing for your multiple controllers, and then you should be good to go. Now, if still it didn't work, you just also want to install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver by clicking on the install button, and from there this should simply fix some minor issues and bugs that's going on with your game controller. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.